I know, I'm very upset that you're not here. Next time you have to stay here. You can't go away.
What are we doing, Sam?
What?
What are we doing?
We were so upset when we heard you're not here.
Looking out the window.
So I'm making this video for Rahul, who's on the telephone with Gabby at the moment. Can you say hi to Rahul? Can you say hi, Rahul?
It's not too
Hi,
far.
Rahul.
Say it to him. He's looking at you through the camera.
Hi, Rahul.
Over here.
Hi.
Say hi to Rahul.
Who is he?
Who is he?
Where is he?
Where is he?
Yeah.
Well, he's talking to Gabby on the phone at the moment, but I'm going to send this video over to him so he can see
I've
it.
already talked to
So he'll see this video.
Yeah.
Can you say hi to him? This is a little bit weird for you, isn't
Oh,
it?
you too with us.
Say hi,
It's a
Rahul.
lovely area, so you might really enjoy
He'll be watching this video. He'll watch this video.
In the camera?
Yeah. I'm going to send him this video, and then he'll be watching it. So if you say it to the camera, he'll see it.
Hi, Rahul.
That's right. We're sorry we didn't see him this time, but he's always, 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 we'd be so happy to have him down.
We always be so happy to have you down.
Where do we live?
I'll pass you over to Kim, Rahul. Take good care.
Where do we live?
Inside Massachusetts.
That's right. That's right. Very good. Consider that an invitation, Rahul.
I will.
Benja.
Oh, do you want to say it? Oh, we can try.
Benja, you want to say
Hey,
hi
Ben.
to Rahul?
Ben, do you want to say hi? Hold on, let me try. We'll see. We'll see if they'll
You'll
play
have better
ball.
luck with Sam, I think.
Benny, you want to say hi, Rahul? Rahul. Say Rahul. Want to try it with Sammy?
Sure.
Mommy, why
Sam.
don't-
Sam.
You want to say hi to Rahul? He's on the phone.
Hi, Rahul. Good? Yeah, I did miss you.
Next stop, River Street.
Do you know where we are? We're not at home. We're in Toronto. Well, our home is all the way back in Massachusetts.
I'm just going to send you the video of it for Rahul.
Okay.
He's playing with that camera.
So,
He
goodbye.
gets all these cool toys.
You get the moon.
Hello?
Mama, I want to go in the
Yeah, see, they miss you too.
This is not a tunnel trip ride. There's different kinds of rides. There are tunnel rides and there are rides that are not tunnel.
Is it?
We're
That's
going
a
to
ride
the
that's
distillery
not
district.
tunnel.
So we'll walk around and look at stuff. That's a good question. Downtown. Are you
still baby Patrick?
Yeah.
Patrick is taping us. No, that was his idea. I think that made him. No, Patrick likes his technology too. Yes, I seriously did.
Oh, sorry.
Next stop, Sumac Street.
Oh, really?